Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in the last video we have learned how we can send data from activity 1 or first or main activity to the second activity, and we have seen in the previous example also. But in this example we are going one step ahead, and we are also confirming from the second activity to the activity 1 that yes, we have done the information. Means from the second activity we are sending a reply to the activity main or the first activity from where we are sending a data. Means the activity 1 from where we are sending a data to the activity second. So again we are giving the reply back to the calling activity like main. That is the purpose in this example. So we have designed the main activity. I will write the information here. That information will come and display here data from first, and I will write yes or no. If I say yes and reply, it will go to the first activity, main activity here, main activity, and it will display congratulations. Then if say no, sorry, I will say sorry. Okay, I am sorry, like this I will confirm the message, and we will make a communication between these two activities. So now for making a coding, we have seen in the first example that we are starting activity and sending a data to the first activity. But in the previous version of Android, we write here for start activity for result. We are doing like this. But you see here, this function has been deprecated. We are not using this function right now in Android. That's why I am not using the deprecated method. I am showing you the latest latest example or latest API that I used to send data for result, for getting a reply back from the second activity. For that I am slicing the activity result launcher, and here I am passing the intent. So this is the new way to get the confirmation from the second activity. So this is the activity result launcher, and in place of start activity for result, I will use this object dot launch like this and I will pass the intent here. So this data will go to the activity second here, and then from the second activity we will send data back. But we have to make a function overloading also. We have to overwrite as one function for registering this. So activity result launcher equal to register for activity result start activity for result like this, and then we are going to convert it to the lambda expression like this. Here I will write the result, and here I will press the enter. I will write my code here for confirmation, and from this activity it will display the data on here, and it will get the confirmation also. So I will create one more where txt reply and find by view id edit text r dot id dot txt reply like this, and here I will send back the data. So I will send intent dot put extra. Here I will send the reply, and here I will write the data txt reply dot text dot toString, like this way, and I will send the data back. So I will write set result, and here I will put activity dot result okay, and here I will send the intent. So first of all I have to create intent also, so I create the intent without any information, then I will put the data, and then I'm sending this. So this data will go here, and I say if result dot result code equal to activity dot result okay. That means whatever I'm sending here, that will confirm here, and then if the data which we are getting result dot data dot extras dot get string, and string name is info, like this. Info dot equal to yes, like this. We can say ignore case, okay. We can say yes. One method is also we have ignore case if it is available dot equal ignore case is there or not. Equal ignore case is not there, so we can say if reply is yes, then we will display toast, congratulations, like this. Like this. Else if it is not yes, then we can again display toast, and we say sorry, like this way. So I'm trying to run it now. On the click, actually I am not coding on the button click. We have a second button also, so I miss one thing. On the click of this event, then I have to set a result, so I have to create button also. Reply find view by id button r.id.btn reply. I forgot to add this also. And on the button click, set on click listener, then under this I have to send it, like this. Now I have to send it, and I have to finish the activity also. I have to finish this activity also, second one. it is coming. Now, are you okay? I send it. Are you okay? I say yes and reply this activity clause. You say sorry. It is saying sorry because I just make some mistake here. So info equal to yes if is equal to. So I have to say this. So it is not confirming. Why? Because I have to check the data, so whether I am getting the same data or not. Extra string info, same info is oh sorry, we have here reply, not info, so I have to reply here. That is the mistake because I'm doing data from the reply, not info. Once again I just run it. Are you okay? Are you okay? I say yes, reply, and you see congratulations. Are you okay? If I say no, you see sorry. So like this way we can make communication between two activities. We can send data, we can reply back by using the latest newly change API in place of StartActivityForResult. So StartActivityForResult has been replaced by registerForActivityResult and ActivityResultLauncher. That is the latest API. So that's all in this video. See you for more videos. Thank you.